you can make a little bit more noise because, yeah, you know, he's a little bit shy. He only comes out when you really start clapping. All right, there he is. Thank you very much for joining us, Abhishek. Can we please have a mic for Abhishek? Thank you. I'm very well, thank you. All right, now we all know, Abhishek, that you're an avid sports person, right? But what attracts you to NBA?
The NBA was the first sporting league I ever supported as a kid. I remember in the early 80s, I think it was 82 or 83, my father was convalescing in Los Angeles, and I'd gone to meet him after his accident. And he took me to the LA Forum to see a match of basketball between my favorite team, the Lakers, and then the great Boston Celtics. And I was hooked, and the NBA and basketball was an instant connect. And my first love as a sportsman, I went on to play basketball in school. I was the captain of my basketball team, and an avid NBA follower. And it was since then that, you know, literally from when I was about 5, 6 years old, where the love for basketball started. The height helped a bit.
Yeah, you have the physical attributes there.
Yeah, slightly. Until I reached America for college. I studied in Europe and played basketball there. And I played either a center or a shooting guard sometimes, and power forward, until I went to Boston and said, okay, I was captain of my basketball team, let me try out here. And being one of the tallest in my team, obviously I thought I had an easy chance, until I went and tried out with my college team. And I was the shortest guy in the room, and I spent the whole match doing this. So yeah, so it's an amazing league, it's an amazing sport. They're great athletes. I really feel basketball is a sport in which the players are so athletic that it's a mixture of everything. You're not only running, you're sprinting, you're jumping, you got defense. It's a great sport. It's exhilarating to watch, and even watching it live. I mean, over here, thanks to Sony, we wake up early in the morning, like I did this morning, to see a fantastic match between the Clippers and the Thunder, and the playoffs are going on. It's a lot of fun, but watching an NBA game live is fantastic.
What is it that you perhaps like most about the sport? And how do you actually see this particular sport shaping up in our country?
You know, basketball is it's just a complete sport. Like I said, it has all the athletic attributes that you need to be a complete athlete. And it's a very exciting, it's a very robust sport. It's fast-paced, it's relentless, and yeah, I can keep going on. I mean, I'm a basketball player, so I can just keep going on. It's just a fantastic sport, and I'm so happy that the NBA has made such efforts to come into India and to promote the sport. I've seen a few games in India of our local teams playing, especially in the Asiad, and we have great talent. I think there is a great need for, you know, leagues like the NBA to come here, share their expertise, and really help promote on grassroots level a sport which I think we Indians can be brilliant at.
Great. Now, you've of course seen the NBA collection on Jabong.com. What do you think about it?
Well done, Jabong, really. Thank you. From all basketball fans, thank you very much. You know, being a basketball fan, getting your hands on this jersey is a very big deal. And living in India and the jerseys releasing in America, getting it from there was always a challenge. And I'm so happy. They just told me that they can deliver all this stuff to my doorstep. And that's fantastic. You know, go onto the computer, click. So thank you, Jabong, very much.